Example 7. Given that log of x base 3 equals to p and log of x base 18 equals to q, show that log of 3 base 6 equals to q divided by p minus q. We are given log of x base 3 equals to p and log of x base 18 equals to q, and we are required to show that log of 3 base 6 equals to q divided by p minus q. From the problem, log of x base 18 equals to q, but also log of x base 3 equals to p. So using the change of base formula, let's introduce a new base of 3 in this, which will aid in the introduction of p. Using change of base formula rule, this implies that we have log of x base 3 divided by log of 18 base 3, and this equals to q. But from our problem, log of x base 3 equals to p. This implies that p divided by log of 18 base 3 equals to q. But 6 and 3 are also factors of 18, so this becomes p divided by log of 6 times 3 to base 3, which equals to q, which becomes p divided by, from reverse product rule, this becomes log of 6 base 3 plus log of 3 base 3, which equals to q. This implies that p divided by log of 6 base 3 plus, from identity log of 3 base 3 equals to 1, which equals to q. On cross multiplication, this becomes p equals to q into log of 6 base 3 plus 1, which is the same as p equals to q log of 6 base 3 plus q, which becomes p minus q equals to q log of 6 base 3. On dividing by q on either side, this becomes p minus q divided by q equals to log of 6 base 3. But from the problem, we are required to show that log of 3 base 6 equals to q divided by p minus q. So let's swap the base and argument in this. This becomes p minus q divided by q equals to, using change of base formula rule, let's introduce a new base of 6. That is to say log of 6 base 6 divided by log of 3 base 6, which is the same as p minus q divided by q equals to, from identity rule, log of 6 base 6 is the same as 1, so this becomes 1 divided by log of 3 base 6. On obtaining the reciprocal on either sides, it becomes q divided by p minus q, which equals to log of 3 base 6 divided by 1. Therefore, log of 3 base 6 equals to q divided by p minus q as required. To best understand the basics, rules, and special cases in logarithm, check out this video. The full link is in the description. To support us, don't forget to subscribe to Outek Math, and for more examples, check out the links in the description. Otherwise, see you in the next.